welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to add custom subtitles for TikTok using VN. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you need to go in VN editor. Once you're in your VN editor, you need to simply tap it on. Now to add custom subtitles in VN editor for TikTok, you need to use the app's auto caption feature to transcribe your audio. Then manually edit your text, font, color, and sizes, and positioning for each segment on the timeline. This will set the precise start and end time for maximum engagement and accessibility. You can either add your text box manually for total control or use auto captions for speed. Then fine tune the look like font styles and animation and placement to match your video's vibe. So this way you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.